fucking half train. Cause I don't care, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker. You know what I'm saying?
It just looks like you got. It doesn't even look like you got drawers on.
Oh shit!
This stop is Grove Street.
Where did the police go? Where did the police go? Oh, you gonna get in trouble? You know this nigga.
They look like shorts.
You know this nigga gotta do that all the time.
They look like tight ass biker shorts, my nigga.
Imagine at the light road.
Like you about to go ride a bike.
Oh, every comedy bitch ass nigga. Oh shit! You took the light road. Oh shit! This is gonna be crazy. This is turned up. This is turned up shit. You know we gotta catch the light road, man.
This is the train to World Trade Center.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
Emergency second girl, I have to say about
Sorry.
I tried to go with free cones. Free cones. Ain't never gonna hoot you up. I tell you, I never go to my nation, but I ain't never gonna hoot you up. Make that hoot you up. Ain't never gonna hoot you up. Okay. So, motherfucking Joe Monster ass nigga, what type of shit? Cali. Cali. Nigga, swag will. Fucking house. Break it down in front of your nigga. Boxer nigga. My boxers nigga. On the train. On the trip. Yeah, get back to it. Wrong star, nigga. Can't bust it back to it. Or something. I'm gonna hang on the rail. Off the train, exchange place, and fucking boxes. Like my homies. You know. It's a daily. It's just something I do. Walk in the streets with my boxers. Yeah. Fuck it. I'm too high for this shit, man. I'm too high for this shit. So what's that is? Oh, not it's gonna be mad, you know it's gonna be mad people like you. You know what I mean?
Huh?
It's gonna be mad. Look at that nigga, look at that nigga's another chain. Look at that nigga's another chain. Look at that nigga's another chain. I'm in fuck right now. See? You see I don't got balls, nigga.
It look like shorts, my nigga.
It look like shorts, my nigga.
You got your shirt on.
Hold my shit up. Yeah, right. Yeah, I got the balls. Look at that. Now, nigga.
This stop is Exchange Place.
They look like bike shorts, my nigga. They look like bike shorts, my nigga. I'm fucking boxers, nigga. They look like bike shorts, my nigga. This is World Star. That ain't getting no World Star. That ain't World Star shit. This World Star, I ate these, nigga. I ate affection, this TV cup, nigga. Nigga, who's the name boxers, nigga? Look turned up, nigga. Why you gotta be impressed? Shit I do on a daily. Still that nigga.
This is the train to World Trade Center.
Crazy ass nigga, man.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
Some crazy wild shit. World Trade Center, stop. Stop. It's just a crazy. Hey, come from the crowd. Yo, from the crowd. next Spider-Man.